I wanted to cover the topic of questions that I've been getting asked on my channel, such as the way I draw. I've been asked questions about making a tutorial, how I paint, the way I doodle. I've had questions about other advice about the way I draw. I've had personal questions asked to me about such as what my life was like growing up, about my tattoos, what I do outside of drawing, and everything else. So if you have any questions regarding anything, go ahead and let me know. I'll be making an entire video covering any of those questions. So any questions that you comment down below this video, I will go over. It can be anything as long as it's appropriate and related to art, or if you have any questions about me or anything else really, just go ahead and ask me. And as you can notice here, there's a nice sunset there behind me. I set my camera up to where you all can see that at the times where it's the morning time, or if I get home off of work and time enough to let you see the sunset there behind me. But this is a new angle I have set up for my camera and everything in the lighting. I might change things a little bit with the microphone position and some other things. But so far this is good because I like the background there with the sunset. But anyways, if you have any questions about anything such as art supplies even, my setup, my camera, how I record them, what cameras I use, what microphone I use, what time of day do I prefer to draw, stretches for drawing, anything related to art, go ahead and ask me. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that you could ask me, or things that I've been asked. Well, I was recently asked to do a acrylic painting of a waterfall. I had somebody tell me to draw an abstract city on a cliff. I was told to do some watercolor painting. I was also asked to do some tutorials about the rotring isograph. And I've gotten a lot of questions about the rotring isograph, and I think that's probably going to be one that I'll make an entire video specifically on that, because it's a really in-depth and detailed topic that I can cover, because I've been drawing with the rotring isograph now for the past year. I've been using it a lot. I've been teaching myself new techniques with it, and I want to make an entire video again on that. I have one video that shows a drawing tutorial about how I draw with the rotring isograph, but I've learned new things such as how new ways to clean it properly, new ways of storing it to keep it from drying out, and I've been using the same ink, haven't had any problem with it. And I've also been trying it on different paper. I have this sketchbook here. I was using the rotring isograph on this, and haven't had any problems. The paper is just smooth enough where it works, but I'll be covering topics related to that. If you have any questions about some of my older drawings compared to my newer ones, if you want me to make a video comparing my old drawings to what I have now, if you want me to make any reviews of art supplies, products, markers, pencils, pretty much anything, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and I'll make a video covering that. I'll probably title it Q&A, questions, answers, anything, go ahead and let me know, and I'll get started on that. But until then, you have a good day, and hope you're having a good summer. I'll see you later.